I've never seen it so empty. I don't know what's going on. Oh my god, I find that sad. Are they letting out here as well? Let's go see the third lake. Positive thinking is very misunderstood, and it has so many angles and aspects of power. One of which is that if you believe you're getting something good from something, you're going to feel different and you're going to act different. And that's going to give you different results. Undeniable. Now this isn't as high as I expected it to be. I think, it's because they're letting this one out as well. So strange. My brain can't accept that they could let water out, especially as like summer's coming. I wonder what the actual truth behind it is. Let's have a quick look over here. Yeah, I see. And look. Look at the big fish. See that big fish in the shadow there? Oh, look. Look at those big fish. Don't you love them? Okay, I'm going to go home. It's only a short ride today, but anyway, that's fine. It's enough for today. I hope you enjoyed coming along, hearing me waffle. Look at that. That is the lakes of Guadalupe. The most spectacular place ever, among others. Welcome to the lakes. Welcome to the lakes. Every time I come, I think, I'll stop for a coffee when I come. But when I get here, I don't feel like stopping for a coffee. I don't see the point. Sit there on a chair when I can just keep riding. But every time before I get here, I think, I'll stop for coffee today. Why? So these people are walking to do the Caminito del Rey. I'll show you the tunnel. It's very cute. Here. Nope, further enough. I think all these bars on the side of the road are new as well. Caminito del Rey. That's a nice place to sit up there on top of this tunnel with views over the lakes. I used to go there before it became touristic here, because believe it or not, this was totally dead in the past. It's only since they built the Caminito del Rey, it's just become a popular tourist destination with buses and stuff. Before that, you could walk down to the lakes at any point to go swimming. You could park along the side of the road here. Basically do anything because there was no one around. Only, yes, of course, families would come for a picnic and stuff like that. But very low-key. Wow, what a change in the weather. What a change in the weather. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. So all this car park's new, obviously. Woohoo! Oh, it's so cool. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. What is the one thing, if you could change one thing tomorrow and it would happen, what would it be? Supposing your first answer was money. That leads to how much money, so that's no good. Okay, so then you answer how much money. Then you say, okay, I want $1 million. And then that leads to the question, well, what am I going to do if I have $1 million? and so on and so forth. If you could have one thing land for you tomorrow, what would it be? So the point of this question is to think, where would it take you? Let's say you answered you'd like to lose 10 kilos. Tomorrow that's going to happen. You're going to wake up and you're going to be 10 kilos lighter. How's it going to impact your life? What are you going to feel like? Most importantly, what are you going to believe about yourself that's different to what you believe about yourself today? What identity shift would it create? How powerful it is? Breathe in. Now, I don't know what's going on here, but this is super low. This water is just super low. It's like it's empty. I've never seen it so empty. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's so strange. It's lower than I've ever seen it. Motorbiking has given me so much freedom. This is the feeling of freedom, right? And it sounds like such a cliche, but it's not. It's just absolute fact. What's going on? I want to know. Wow. So I came here today to visit the lakes, excited to see them full after all the rain we've had. We had a month of solid rain and the month before that raining. And then I find this one shallower than I've ever seen it. We're going to have a look at all the water that's going. Look at that, it's just mind-boggling. What is going on? Well, there you have it. The mystery of the century. We have a full reservoir, so let's let the water out. Why would the reservoir overflow? We're going towards summer. Anyway, that was our little excursion to see the water. Okay, I must get home. I'm tired. And we're off on our way home. Kick it into neutral, why don't you? So, that was our visit to the lakes for today. Hope you enjoyed it. We've still got the ride home to go. Still pretty beautiful. So what do you think? You're going to come and visit the area of El Chorro on the Caminito del Rey and in Balsas Guadalupe?